Hi, first grade. I hope you're enjoying Dinosaur Day. I know that I am. I have a really silly book to share with you called How Do Dinosaurs Say Goodnight? Like if you look in the front, you can see all the different kinds of dinosaurs. How do dinosaurs say goodnight? Title page. How does a dinosaur say goodnight when Papa comes in to turn off the light? Does a dinosaur slam his tail and pout? Oh, nobody I know does that, right? Does he throw his teddy bear all about? Does a dinosaur stomp his feet on the floor and shout, "I want to hear one book more"? Oh my goodness. Does a dinosaur roar? Ooh. How does a dinosaur say goodnight when Mama comes to turn off the light? Uh-oh, now Mom is getting involved. Does he swing his neck from side to side? Does he up and demand a piggyback ride? Does he mope? Does he moan? Does he sulk? Does he sigh? Does he fall on the top of his covers and cry? No, dinosaurs don't. They don't even try. They give a big kiss. They turn out the light. They tuck in their tails and whisper, "Good night." They give a big hug, then one kiss more. Good night, little dinosaur. That was such a fun book. This is a fiction story, and I have a bonus book to share with you. Let me go grab it. So we just read a fiction story, and I have a non-fiction story. Remember, a non-fiction story means true facts. And this book is called Dinosaurs, and it gives us some true facts about dinosaurs. Who knew you'd get a bonus read aloud today? It says, say hello to a dinosaur. Dinosaurs lived long ago. No dinosaurs are alive today. Remember, we call that extinct, an animal's no longer alive. Scientists dig for dinosaur bones. They can tell what a dinosaur looked like from its bones. They call that a paleontologist. Paleo meaning bone, ontologist meaning study. Paleontologist. These bones show that this dinosaur had 3 big toes on each foot. It had big, sharp teeth. The dinosaur used its big, sharp teeth to eat meat. This is what scientists think the dinosaurs looked like when it was alive. Dinosaur Strikes. Ooh, such a menace. Oh, that's a hard one. The dinosaur in this picture is hunting for something to eat. The teeth on this dinosaur worked like hooks to catch fish. Interesting. A long, long neck helped this dinosaur to reach food high up in the trees. Plants were all that this dinosaur ate. Diplodocus and the Bronchiosaurus. Here's another dinosaur that ate plants. It was one of the biggest dinosaurs. It was as heavy as 130 elephants. Whoa. Ooh, this is the Struthomythomimus. Ooh. This dinosaur could run as fast as a car. It could run away from dinosaurs that wanted to eat it. This is a Triceratops. The horns on this dinosaur helped to protect it from other dinosaurs. Well, they need it. The spikes on this dinosaur, Stegosaurus, scared away hungry dinosaurs. These dinosaurs both have thick scales to protect themselves. The Ankylosaurus. Here are dinosaur footprints. The dinosaur that made these footprints had 3 big toes on each foot. Which dinosaur do you think made that footprint? Can you remember from the story which dinosaur had 3 big toes? That's right, the Dinosaur Strikes. Nice. So this is a nonfiction story. It has facts in it, and this was a fiction story. It just told a story. It wasn't real. Thanks for reading with me a fiction and a nonfiction story. I hope you're having fun on this dinosaur day.